show us what's for dinner.
I'm not opening that. You guys can open that door down there. I'm not opening that door.
If you want to never clean out your refrigerator,
I think it's
you
the
too
other
can
one.
be in the International Mission Study.
Oh, she's touching it! She's touching it! Oh, it's trippy!
That's been in there a long time. That one was lost.
That bag would have to be thrown away, I think.
Yeah, we're not gonna wash that
might have
Ziploc
to
bag.
burn that
one,
drawer.
we'll just throw that bag away.
How long has it been there?
Well, not in this year have I looked in that drawer. So, if you want to have a
It's
drawer like
January
this,
18th.
if you want to have a drawer like this in your refrigerator, you too could be in the International Mission Study next year.